What's up, Brady? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. If you haven't, hey, please subscribe and notify us up today. Today, it's a 19 Bullitt. We're going to watch a video of it laying down over 700 real-world horsepower through a Vortech V3 Supercharger. A very basic setup we have on this Bullitt today, but the car came out awesome. So stick around. We're going to watch that pull. We're going to check out the engine department. I have Doug with me. And hey, what's this cost to get installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But right now, let's go check it out. All right, before Doug comes down and shows the engine compartment, we have a few mods we're going to talk about. The cooling mods. I love those. So when you're building a Coyote, I always like doing like a rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat. Those are really good mods to help keep the high compression engine nice and cool. But Doug, come down here, take a look, show them this. We have the V3 Supercharger. We use DW 95-pound fuel injectors, Kenny Bell booster pump. We have the nice JLT air induction system. And besides that, no headers on this car. So billet oil pump gears and sprocket, cooling mods, and the V3 Supercharger with some fuel system upgrades, 93 octane. I know a lot of you want to know what kind of octane. Are we running 85? No, we're not. Running 93 octane in this. It's going to lay down over 700 real horsepower. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're going to check out the numbers, take one more look at the Bullitt. Hey, I want to apologize. My voice is a little scratchy. We had our open house on Saturday. Over 1,000 people came, so I did a lot of talking, and I don't have much left. But Doug, come over here, take a look. 728 real horsepower Dynojet SAE, 7,500 RPM. Torque came in stellar. I love this. 553 torque, peaking at 6,000 RPM. And that is a simple setup. We have the V3 Vortech Supercharger, all right? The supporting mods. You got the oil pump gears, you got the cooling mods, and that's basically about it. Doug, let's take a look. I believe this is Bullitt number 826. It's a really cool car. We had a lot of these come in for some minor mods. Not a lot because it wasn't a lot made for Superchargers, so I was really happy to see this. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll be happy to answer. And again, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's it cost to build my Bullitt or my GT or my F-150? Maybe you have something else. Just shoot us an email and we'll let you know what the price is. That's it for today. 19 Bullitt, over 700. That's awesome. A lot more videos to come, so subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching.